inkinga. Please take it from an artist. This time ngikhuluma nawo ngama-hip hop artist. Lento music i-art thina ku-rap secretive. Manje flop ngathi ukuthi asikho supportive. Ngicela nizwe kahle angizami ukuba offensive. Ma-producer hlisana ama-price wena expensive. Ngale kwenza i-beat sibane uphiel lot of attention. Mara kusho ukuthi ngithengise ngathi sesentini. Ngoba mrap engithenya lento inokuthomela ama-tease. Umuntu bacela i-features engithande ngoba urhafile. And my community track ameki kanjalo kampushize. Please bomrap ekani lento kuba selfish. Nani ma-promoter nisitshela ukuthi nihlakhi. Nolifaka kulama-post engenake imali engekile. Sitshele nge-exposure kubeni nilala libalini. Majensi nawo amosh bathista baleni ayekile. Feli nani abantu bafuna i-pop ingene egemini. Masingabhekelani vela ngeke sigele egemini. So asihlangane together so senzeni something. I-pop never dasho ukuthi ibuyele lentini. Bengithi ngi-address inkinga bafethu. Fede ka inkinga khona, not just a dish. After the dish, this the real issue, the real issue. For the love of hip hop, for the love of Kasi rap.